So right behind me is Noida's latest obsession, which is District 9. Now it's a multi-purpose concept. I'm calling it a concept because it has courts to play from pickleball, basketball, cricket, and now they're also trying to think of laser tag. And then there are food trucks, and then there is a screen for watching any kind of match that you can think of, be it football, be it cricket, be it tennis, anything that you can think of. So why is this place suddenly becoming popular? And right now it's 11:30 in the night and it's completely crowded. Like a family just walked past and everybody is enthusiastic about playing. I don't know the last time I have seen people this excited about getting some cardio in, playing as a family, playing as a group. So I'm going to go in and find out more about this place, when it opened, and what was the idea behind creating something like this right in the heart of Noida. This is probably a kilometer or two away from Botanical Garden, Noida city center, pretty accessible. So all these factors have clearly also helped people come in and decide to book a court, play their heart rate out and have a good time. So you're already holding a ball, so we know which sport you have come to play.
Yes.
So is this your first time?
Here, yes, that's the first time.
Right, so you're waiting for your turn to play basketball. So how did you hear about this place?
Through Instagram.
Through Instagram. Right, so tell me, like, what was the appeal? Like, have you played in other places as well?
I have played in other places. I think the catch point of the USP is 24 hours.
Okay.
So if you are getting late, if you have to do early morning, you can come here and play and you can book that slots from Hurdle. I think that's the good point, that you will not get anything which is 24 hours. So
And-
that was the catchy point for us.
And is it affordable? Like, is it something that's reasonable, you think?
It's reasonable. It's similar in other places also.
Okay.
It's reasonable. I think it will catch more in the winters. In summers, the afternoons are not that great. Winters are good for sports.
And do you think it's a nice concept to have opened up in Noida, which does not always have a lot of options of family
Because
time?
here there's more, you can come with your family, they can have your food, you can play, and even varieties of sports. So that's true. I was also thinking from that get-togethers from office end, like where you can have a corporate get-togethers.
Right. So would you recommend this to some of your colleagues who also have families and who
I
might...
actually made a video right now to send it to my Josh team, so that's my office team,
Okay.
to say that maybe the next event we can do here, because you don't have to take care of multiple things. It's food is here and play is here. So
Right.
everything can be done in one place.
So one of my friends told me about this place. We got to know about us early as it opened. So we have been coming here since then, and we've been playing pickleball regularly.
So do you have matches also, like
Yes,
among you?
Yeah, we try and compete among ourselves, and we are maintaining a scorecard. Who is winning how many?
Who is winning? Please tell
Yes.
me.
I would like to say I'm winning, but these guys are playing better than me these days. Yeah.
So have you come like almost every day on
Almost
weekdays,
every
weekends?
Weekends we try to play till 1-2,
Okay.
and weekdays almost every day.
So is this an alternative to other things that you used to do as a group?
Yes, because it's very easy to pick and everybody can play. There is no equipments as such which are required, and it's easy to, like, everybody we have played with are able to catch up on this game very quickly. So it's a fun activity that everybody can play together.
So would you say कि अगर house party और इसका option मिला आप ये choose करोगे?
No brainer. This pickleball.
District 9 may have opened only a month ago, but it is already one of the popular spaces in Noida for families to sports enthusiasts and even novices. Plus, there are the health benefits.
Okay. So as a family, since you've come as a family, what are the other options apart from this? क्या करते हो आप malls? Noida में.
Yeah,
go-
malls.
We go to sector 37. There's tea shop over there. So yeah.
But would you say this
That's
is a
a
good?
gently speaking.
But would you say this is a good family place? You can come also with friends. You can come on your own as well.
It is a very safe and a secure place, and it looks very good. The people out here, they're also very friendly, and everything is very good here.
Okay. Would you say this is like affordable in terms of like the costing?
It is on the higher side compared to the other pickleball courts. But yes, seeing the ambience and the security and the location, we don't mind paying that much. And also the eatery, it's on the higher side compared to the other joints, like the other joints in Noida. But still, again, as I said, it's a family place and we have very few places. But in Noida, we don't have such places. So it's okay with us. It's okay paying.
So you
We
have
don't
your
mind.
daughter with you.
Yeah.
Did she also play pickleball?
Yeah. Did you play pickleball? Say yes. Yes, she did.
Did she like it?
Did you like it? Yeah.
That was the first time.
It was the first time, and maybe this is the first sport, racket sport. Yes.
So do you play like other sports as well on your own, not just pickleball?
Yeah, we do a lot. I'm into badminton, into swimming, into cricket, so multi sports.
Cricket for me as well.
So
Football
would you
for
want
me.
To try the, would you want to try the court that's
No, we are traditional cricket players. A bigger field
Right.
would be better. A bigger field would be better rather than this one.
पर अगर bigger field नहीं मिले would you try?
Yeah, sure, definitely that will try.
पूरे 11 लोग मिल जाए तो आगे
तो अगर 22 लोग मिल जाए तो
हाँ,
टीम
22
मिल
लोग,
जाएगा
sorry.
तो then yeah for sure. Otherwise it's a very good place. Very nice, neat and clean, very well done. And we hope to be back tomorrow again. We have already booked it for tomorrow because the slots are
8 to 9:30.
because the slots are very difficult to get, and you don't get the slots on the day itself. So we have booked it one day in advance.
And do you think this is going to become more regular for you guys?
Yeah, considering the health, I don't know about the eatery joints, but yes, the pickleball thing is gonna be regular for us for some time. Yeah, except the rainy seasons because it's an open court, so that's negative.
Okay. So just one thing, because you both doctors, थोड़ा हमें health benefits बताइए movement का please.
So this improves the cardio. So since cardio is like a very good exercise for the heart, and since there's a lot of sedentary lifestyle these days, so it's a very good option for people who work with long sitting hours, especially. And very good hand-eye coordination. The other thing which we were discussing here also. So it improves the circulation in brain as well, and then it reverses aging process. So makes you feel younger, look younger, nice cardio, good skin. So probably, all in one.
Also, as a family, do you want to start young because she's already started clearly?
Yeah,
You want to
right.
inculcate as a habit for
Right. Obviously, see, they follow what you do. So even if they're looking at what you're doing, it's a good thing.
One can book playgrounds at District 9 through the Huddle app or the District 9 app. People can also choose to walk in any time of the day to try the place out.
When there was nothing over here, जब कुछ भी नहीं था, I was the only one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So क्या जगह थी मतलब पहले जब आपने बोला कि कुछ भी नहीं था like what was it a flat ground was it like a मतलब घास वगैरह था क्या था?
This was a land used for parking.
Okay. तो parking lot था.
Yeah, but we never expected, and even the people were like who were just living in Noida, they're coming here, they're like ये जगह क्या बना दिया आपने? We just never expected कि यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ बन सकता है ये चीज़.
Right.
Yeah.
तो आपने मतलब बिगिनिंग से देखा है इस जगह को पूरा इमर्ज होते हुए.
Yeah, right.
तो फर्स्ट डे जो था मतलब आपका जो भी ओपनिंग होगा और लोगों को पता चला तो लोग वॉक-इन्स पे आए थे या उनको ऑनलाइन कहीं दिख के वो लोग आए थे?
So people are coming walking also just because we have done the grand launch in which
Right.
Gautam Gambhir came.
Right.
And we have just called lots of influencers also through Instagram marketing and everything.
क्या क्या बेसिकली क्राइसिस बोलो या चैलेंज बोलो वो यूजुअली किस टाइप का होता है कि अच्छा ये मेरा स्लॉट डबल बुक हो गया या मेरे को स्लॉट नहीं मिल रहा है ऐसे टाइप के लोग आते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल. So basically I guess past week only we got 2 bookings. One is from District 9 app and one is from Huddle. But in our website there is some glitch. So उसके through booking आई. Then we have a same booking from the Huddle app.
Right.
One customer is like, okay, I can reschedule my booking. One is like, no, मुझे अभी खेलना है. So this is basically a very hard challenge for us just to maintain the slots and everything. And the hardest thing is जब बारिश आती है, like yesterday, we have to block all the slots for today. सारे वाले.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो वेदर पे क्योंकि ये ओपन उस पे है तो वो चैलेंज होता होगा कि हम कैसे नेविगेट करें अगर बहुत गर्मी है. एंड व्हाट आर लाइक डू यू हैव कैंसलेशन चार्जेस एंड ऑल?
We do provide the cancellation charges, but what I from my end do, like if the customer is okay to make his booking for some other day, we do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
और कितने लोग रेगुलर आते हैं मतलब कि थोड़ा और कब फुटफॉल सबसे ज्यादा होता है अभी के लिए बिकॉज इट्स समर्स?
Yeah. So footfall सबसे ज़्यादा I can say that from 6 to almost 12. Then sometimes 12 to 6 in the morning. All time you can say that.
और पिकलबॉल सबसे पॉपुलर है?
Popular pickleball all time, all courts are booked.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट क्रिकेट वो ज्यादा बड़े ग्रुप्स बुक करते हैं?
हाँ. Well, like we have a group also, like a distinct community in which we spread people that if they don't have a team and they want to play, like मुझे खेलना है मेरे पास टीम नहीं है. We add the people in the group. He message जो बंदे करते हैं उनको टीम में ऐड करते हैं, then they play regular basis.
The place has also attracted professional players.
We've been coming here regularly, and now I think the order is.
So one of my friends, he loved the food and the vibe here.
Okay.
So not the sports part, but like yeah. So we started coming here, and then we started playing pickleball.
Okay, so since you're a professional player, I'm going for the question with you. What do you have to comment about the quality of like the sports here?
I think it's pretty rare, and it's pretty rare in Noida to have pickleball because nobody is doing that business here. So it's booming anyway, and I would want everyone to come play pickleball here. 'Cause
Have you tried the football here?
I haven't. 'Cause I play in Spain, so I just came here.
Okay.
It's been 2 days for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So would you want to try though if you get people to play
We're trying today. We're trying today.
Yeah.
the football?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what
God.
we're here for.
Oh, that's nice. And all your friends have come to play to try that out. Good. I will now take a video of that.
Sure.
But do you think like have you been living in Noida for long?
Yeah, since the last 10 years at least, I believe.
Okay, so do you think something like this has been here before, or this is a new completely concept?
Honestly, this has changed like the whole scene in Noida now because earlier people used to go to Delhi to do parties and stuff, but this is like a new party vibe now.
Healthy of party.
Yeah, people come here for the over the weekends and enjoy, have fun, have a good time.
So right behind me is the pickleball court, which is of course the most favorite in this entire place. But you also have people coming in who decide to play a match of cricket, play for a few overs, or just shoot a few hoops at the basketball court. But all in all, this is right now the most happening place in Noida. And I've learned that people are even skipping dinners and house parties and pub outings to just come here, spend some time with your friends, play a few games, maybe even get their cardio in after the gym.
What sets District 9 apart is a variety of food options that are hygienic and tasty. From chaat to gyros to momos, popular fast food options are available, as are juices and even a vending machine with the option of protein shake. These food trucks open at 5 p.m. and are available to buy from till 2 a.m. in the night.
So what is the concept of like the stall here, and then is it something that you do by a month, or tell me a bit about this?
So Home Chef trailer is like giving people chance just for 3 days, like Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And I was the first one to begin with, and the next week someone else came, but the owner wanted me to come back since there was an event, and from 3rd of June I'm doing it continuously because he wants me here permanently. He's building my own truck so that I can come up with my brand, not with Home Chef. And like Home Chef, other people like he'll give.
So a new person who wants to try again and then come in again.
Then he'll come again here.
Right. So like we have people come back and complimented the food. Have they tried?
Like the first week when I did, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I had a customer who came all 3 days.
Okay.
Like first day it was the event. Like I got a really good feedback even from all the owners here and people. Second day also I had repeat customers, but the great one was the person who came all 3 days.
Okay. So tell me a bit about this concept, because this food truck is next to this sports concept, and Noida doesn't really have something like this before. And do you think it helps it because everybody's playing, then they want to eat something, and then this is also filling?
So my food, like I don't use like mayonnaise and anything like typical rice bowl where you're getting outside.
Right.
My food is like, I'll say 80% of it is healthy. If we don't include fries and like rice, or we offer salad bowls. We are offering pita gyros, which we have in like whole wheat bread and normal pita bread.
So it complements the fact that people have come here for health, and they can eat something healthy.
People ask me, do you have something healthy? Like my menu, if you don't go for starters, fried chicken, everything is healthy.
As per people, this is one of the best ones, not just in Noida, but across NCR. But also, what helps people come here is that they can also get a quick protein shake, because they have a vending machine that provides not just coffee, but also like a protein shake. If you are somebody who's very, very serious about your protein goals, and if not, you want to chill, you want to bring in your family, and they can wait for you. There are massive coolers around here next to the seats, right in the open under the stars. And people are coming in by the minute, by the hour, and then walk-ins are getting surprised that, okay, maybe we are not dressed for the occasion today. We'll come in tomorrow in our sports gear and we are going to play a pickleball match, or we are going to try the football court, or we are going to shoot a few hoops in a basketball court. For more such stories, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our social media. This is Tina Das reporting from Noida.